I did want to mention one other thing too, and I mentioned it at the start, that the city went through a process in that original surface water treatment rule to avoid filtration. And you're still avoiding filtration. So the point I'm trying to get to is that filtration still could be required in other events. If something were to happen, like if there were a waterborne disease outbreak in town, that could be pinpointed to a lack of filtration, or if the quality of the source water declines. And I know the biggest fear for you guys in Bend and some of there's only 4 unfiltered water systems in the state, but I think the biggest fear would be a major fire in the watershed, because that would really hurt the water, the raw water quality. It would just make it turbid, and the disinfection wouldn't work as well, and that would not be good. Or if there were coliform violations out in the distribution system, which is very unlikely since you are adding the chlorine. So I just want to bring that up too, that you are still avoiding filtration based on meeting all these other criteria still, which you do. I mean, the water quality up there is really good. Nobody is going to argue with that. And the last thing is that the goal of all this is just to provide safe drinking water for everybody, and I think everybody's in agreement with that. So that's all I have. And I know I'm going to let you ask questions, but before I do that, I just want to ask my colleague Gary, is there anything else you wanted to add?